Problem number 2. We have the A, B, and C ready to go and labeled, and now I'm just going to plug it in to the quadratic formula. I'm going to go a little bit faster on this problem since we've already done one together. So B equals 9. The formula says to put plus minus the square root, and then I have to put the B again, which is 9. I need to square it and put minus 4 times A times C. So that's 2 and 9. After I do that, I'm going to put all over 2 times A. And again, A equals 2. Okay, I'm going to work out the square root piece first. We always work out the square root piece first. 9 times 9 is 81. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 9 is 72. So we're going to subtract 72. 81 take away 72 is 9. Don't forget that it was underneath a square root, so we have to square root our answer, and then that equals 3. All of this equals 3. So I'm going to rewrite it and put the 3 in there. So it's going to look like this. Negative 9 plus or minus, all of this equaled 3, over 2 times 2 gives us 4. Okay, we're ready to show our two answers. So our two answers are going to be, they're going to come from the plus route and from the minus route. So here I'm going to go ahead and go the plus route. And it's going to be negative 9 plus 3 over 4. Negative 9 plus 3 is going to give us negative 6 over 4. And if we reduce that, that's going to give us negative 3 halves. And if we want to write that as a mixed fraction, it would be negative 1 and 1/2. Okay, so that would be our answer. If we look at the graph, we will see that it did cross at negative 1 and 1/2. Okay. If we look on the other side, we're going to now go the negative route. I'm going to go ahead and move down here so we can see it. We're going to go negative 9 minus 3 over 4. So negative 9 minus 3, that's going to give us negative 12. Negative 12 over 4, that's going to give us negative 3. So if you look at your graph, you will see that there is a x-intercept over at the negative 3 as well. So both of these x-intercepts you could see in the picture. Take a look at negative 3 and negative 1.5, and you will see that there are x-intercepts located at those coordinates.